M7 Multifunction Programmer Maintenance Assistant Installation and Driver Installation Operation Video. Use your browser to enter Aushine.com. Open the Aushine official website. In the Download Center, select AS Platform Client. Download now. After downloading, install it on your computer. Open the installed AS platform. Register with your mobile phone number or email address. For international users, please register with email. Log into your account after registration. Found the new version v2.0.5. Click Update now. Connect the M7 to your computer's USB port using a data cable. Install the driver on the platform. Select the M7 driver for installation. Then install the additional files for the 32/64-bit version. After installation, click Refresh. Select M7 in the port number field. Then click Connect. Once the platform displays a successful connection, you can start operating the device.